Sometimes the storm of life can have its moments, isn't it? And it can be very powerful to just use our breath to reestablish ourselves in our center, our breath and our body. Amazing tools, simple tools. Today we're going to take a walk through a very simple pranayama routine that when life is stormy outside, be it bad weather or bad internal weather with the storms of life, you can take this opportunity to just recenter yourself. So we'll start in standing, doing a few simple exercises. We'll come down to the floor, do a little bit of breathing, and hopefully by the end, we find ourselves safe and secure in the stillness and centeredness of our own heart. So let's start with a few simple exercises. One of my favorite is just bringing your hands to heart center. Often that's already a beautiful energetic offering. And then inhalation, and as you inhale, the arms reach up towards the sky, and you just feel like you're drawing in all the good energy. And then exhaling, your hands return back to your heart center, your literal center of your body. Inhaling, reaching up, drawing in all the good energy. Exhaling, returning back to heart center. If you know Ujjayi breath, you can add that in. Otherwise, just take long, slow, deep, beautiful breaths. The coordination of the movement of body and breath can have profound influence on us. So nice, long, deep inhales and exhales at your own breath pace with this very simple movement. Close your eyes so you can really feel the energy. Feel the centeredness of your feet, the 4 points of your feet rooted into the ground as your hands reach up towards the sky, towards the heavens. And next time that your hands come to heart center, just drop your hands down by your side, palms facing forward. You can leave your eyes closed. Just center yourself in the heart for a moment. And when you're ready, open your eyes. We'll do a second exercise that involves a little bit physical balance. It's the same principle. So we'll just come on to the toes a little bit, rock forward and back on the toes. And then inhale, the arms come out to the side, come up onto the toes. Find your balance. Exhale, come back down to the ground. Find your flow here. Inhaling. Finding your balance, exhaling, returning to the original position, inhaling, finding your physical balance, exhaling, and then finding your own flow with that. One last time. Beautiful. And taking a moment just to shake everything out a little bit. And we'll make our way from here down to the ground for some simple seated pranayama exercise. So, you can be in a seat or you can be on the ground, it doesn't matter, but find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Bring yourself into a nice, upright, neutral spine. Scan the body, make sure the body's relaxed before we go any further. Just make sure the feet are relaxed, the legs are relaxed, the hips are relaxed, the belly, the chest, the shoulders, the hands, the neck, the face. Sometimes just relaxing the body can help us so much find this beautiful centeredness that's our natural state of being. And we'll practice a very even, smooth kind of breathing today called box breath. It's an inhalation, even hold, even exhalation, even hold. If you know Ujjayi, you can add the sound of Ujjayi, the ocean sound on the inhale and exhale. Otherwise, just follow along, no problem. So I'll guide you through it. And if you're pregnant, please don't hold the retentions, because it's not good for pregnant women. Then you can just inhale and exhale. Other than that, you can follow the guidance. So exhaling first, long, slow, deep inhale. Hold the breath. Long, slow, deep exhale. Hold the breath out. Long, slow, deep inhale. Hold the breath. Long, slow, deep exhale. Hold the breath out. Inhaling. Holding. Exhaling. Holding. Inhaling. Now at your own pace, do it as deep and as slow as you can while you still feel comfortable in your body. If at any point you run out of breath, just return to your normal breathing, but you should be able to hold this breath long and slow and even in this beautiful box breath. Making sure that the breath is nice and smooth. Smooth all the way through the inhalation, smooth all the way through the exhalation, not speeding up and slowing down. Nice and even and smooth all the way through the breath. You don't really have to count the breath if you don't want. Just use the feeling. How long is the feeling? Use the feeling that's right for your body. That gets you into the energy, into the prana, out of the mind, into the space of your own being. And in these last few rounds, just notice the difference between the inhalation and the pause and the exhalation and the pause. See if you can't notice a feeling difference between all of those different parts of the breath. And let's do one last round. Try to feel like each part of the breath is drawing you more and more in to your center. And the next time that you get to the end of an exhalation, just let go of the box breath and come into your natural breathing. And take a moment just to center yourself in your heart. Understanding that's a safe place, a place where you can relax, that you can just melt away and be who you naturally are. A place of deep rest, deep restoration, deep centeredness, and discovery. And resting just a little while in the silence. And when you're ready, taking your hands to heart center, bowing your head to the energetic center of your being. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And we thank you so much for practicing together. If you feel like this video was useful for you, please click the like button below. Or if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel. And we look forward to seeing you on the mat sometime soon. Thank you so much. Namaste.